Hello and welcome. My name is Andreas and I'm responsible at DH Electronics for the system on modules. Today I'd like to show you our object detection demo. And first let's start with a short hardware description. Here you can see our development board, the PDK3, and plugged in you can see our DHCOM i.MX8M Plus system on module. This system is connected via USB to a full HD camera. And this camera sends a full HD video stream with H.264 codec to the i.MX8M Plus. In the 8M Plus, we are doing the decoding with the VPU. So this means you have no CPU load because it's directly done in hardware, the decoding. And then it goes to the TensorFlow Lite demo. And the TensorFlow Lite demo is using the NPU included in the i.MX8M Plus for the object detection. So again, we have no CPU load because we are using the NPU in that case. So if this is interesting for you, please feel free to contact us.